favorite chef. Let's get cooking!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
I make food like you should, and when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maia, Chef Maia. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire!
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Maia. I'm the sister of Chef Maia.
Chef Maia, everything's good. Chef Maia, everything's good.
And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we are making tacos. So let's get started. I literally love tacos. They're delicious. So today what we'll be needing is some diced up tomatoes. I'm dicing up some tomatoes. You don't really want to use a paper plate for this, but I have some on the paper plate. We also need some nice hot peppers. I'm not really sure what type of peppers these are. I don't really work with peppers, but these are really, really hot. So we're going to be using them. You want spicy tacos. And we're going to be using a Southwest spice that I made. I'll show you guys how to make it, but we'll be using that. We have been using Southwest spice for other Mexican videos that I've done. And we'll also be needing some ground beef, mozzarella cheese or pepper jack cheese or Monterey Jack cheese or cheddar cheese, either one. And some tortillas or hard taco shells. So I know we got hard taco shells at the store, but I can't find them anywhere. So we're gonna be using tortillas for our shells. So let's get started and cooking. Okay guys, so first what we wanna do is go ahead and dice up our tomato. By now you guys should know how to dice up a tomato if you've been watching my videos a lot. But if you haven't, you can watch them and learn how to dice them. Especially on that pico de gallo video, I literally only used tomatoes and some other stuff. So if you want to do that, then you could watch that. But I went ahead and salted it and peppered it a little bit. And then I put a little bit of our Southwest spice in. So what you need for Southwest spice is paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, some salt, and pepper. And so it's very easy. You can really put any amount you want, but what we will be using is like about a tablespoon of it. So I made about a tablespoon, but I put some of the chili powder on there, of our Southwest spice on there. So what we want to do now is cut some hot peppers. I'm gonna probably use like one because they're really hot. So, oh, this smells hot. Okay. So let's just cut this real quick and yeah, I'll see you guys next. Okay guys, so I tasted a little bit of the pepper. It is very, very spicy and hot. So I'm thinking that it is jalapeno pepper because that's really spicy sometimes it's not. I like spicy things, so we're gonna put it in. So what we wanna do, I just put some jalapeno pepper, just a little bit on a paper towel, and I'm gonna, oh, the seeds are good. That makes it spicy. So just keep those seeds in. And put it in with our tomato mixture. Mix it up a little bit. This is what we will be putting on top of our tacos. I know it's something different. It's not pico de gallo, but it's gonna taste really good. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more Southwest spice on there because we want it to taste a little smoky and good. And then now we're gonna go ahead with our ground beef. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so welcome back to my stove. So what you wanna do is get a large saucepan. heat a large drizzle of oil on it on medium-high heat. Then you want to go ahead, let that cook a little bit. You want to kind of spread the oil everywhere. Don't put a lot of oil, but you know, a large drizzle of oil. Then what we want to do is go ahead. I'm thinking about cooking the ground beef with a little bit of our sauce that we made. But anyways, get your ground beef, wash it off. Well, I'm not really sure if you want to wash ground beef, but if it still has like blood in it, then you definitely want to wash it off. But yeah, okay. I'm just gonna wash this off a little bit. That's still okay. That's good. Okay, so what we want to do is get some ground beef and put it on there. So I'm gonna put a lot because I know my mom wants some tacos. So we're gonna be cooking a lot of ground beef. Okay, starting to heat up. Want to break it in half. So get a spatula real quick. I'm just gonna use my hands this. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more. A little bit more, and that should be good. Okay, so what we want to do is get a little bit of a lot of our Southwest spice. We're gonna put all of it in. Put some salt and pepper in there. Then go ahead and get a spatula. Okay, spatula, and break it apart and cook it well. Mix all the Southwest spice with the ground beef. Mash it a little bit so it's all cooked well. We want to cook this for about like 5 minutes. No, more like 10 minutes. So yes, keep flipping them over and over again until they get nice brown and a little spicy. So we're gonna put some. Might need to make some more Southwest spice, but this is how much we have. So I'm just gonna make a little bit more Southwest spice. Again, it's very easy. Chili powder, paprika, some garlic powder, some salt, and some pepper. Okay. So this looks very good. I might put some more on. I'm not sure. I might make the rest of the ground beef later. But this will probably make like 3 tacos, it looks like. So I'm gonna put the rest of the ground beef in there. So I'm gonna make some more Southwest spice because I want this to be at least spicy enough for a nice taco. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put some jalapeno peppers in there and some diced up tomatoes. Mix it up a little bit. And you want it to be nice and brown and nice and breaking apart so it's not like a burger. Oh, and if you guys didn't already, go ahead and watch that burger video. The burger was delicious and I really recommend making it. Alright. So again, just keep breaking it up, keep flipping it around. I'm gonna put some more Southwest spice in there. So I'll see you guys, once it's all done cooking. Hey guys, so my ground beef is nice and smoky. If you didn't see, well, if you saw, I made some Southwest spice and put some more in. I put the rest of the ground beef in, and I cooked this for like 10 minutes. And then in the end, right now it's at low to let it simmer. So once it's all cooked, and you definitely know it's cooked, you want to go ahead, try breaking the big pieces up to see if the inside is like brown or pink. Because if it's pink, then it needs some more time cooking. If it's brown, that's what we want. So these are all brown. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off the heat. Alright guys, so wait 1 second. So what I like to do, I like to get a big plate and put some paper towels over there on top, and then I like to go ahead, get my ground beef and put it on here. The reason why I have a paper towel underneath is so the oil, it can go in there, and so it won't be soaked with oil and fat. So now that is what we want ours to look like. So as you see, the paper towel is like orange now, because that's some of the Southwest spice and the oil mix combined. Some of the ground beef fell on the floor, so I need to go clean that up. Don't put it in your tacos. That's disgusting. But now that just let it cool off a little bit. And before you cook it, make sure you wash your hands. I should have told that in the very beginning of the video, but sadly I didn't. But yeah. So now that we got our ground beef, we're gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit. Put away your spatula. You can chop some more jalapenos up, because I kind of put all of them inside of here. Go clean up, put this container away, put your saucepan away, we won't be needing it again. And so I think it's now time to plate, so let's get plating. So we're gonna go ahead, get a plate. We're gonna get some flour tortillas. I like flour tortillas. I don't really like corn tortillas. There's just something about them. It's just weird. So I just like flour tortillas, so wait. Pull apart here, easy to open. Alright. I'm gonna put like 2 tortillas down. Or like 1 for now. Then I'm gonna start plating. So what we wanna do is get a spoon. Let me get a spoon real quick. Oh wait, I have a spoon in my handy dandy cooking thing. Now that we got a spoon, we're gonna go ahead and scoop some ground beef. Place it on here in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay. And not only you want to put some Southwest spice on the ground beef while it's cooking, you also want to put some salt and pepper. Okay. So now what we want to do is go ahead, add some of our tomatoes and jalapenos. I'm going to chop some more up. Then we're going to add some of our cheese. If you have some onions, you could saute those and put them on. And we don't have any onions, so yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put some mozzarella on there. I'm just gonna let the mozzarella melt a little bit, but let's go ahead and put them up. And there, you have a nice taco with ground beef, tomatoes, jalapeno, and some cheese. So let's go ahead and test it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna test it right here. So let's go ahead and test. This is really good. It's delicious. I really recommend making this. It's really spicy. Oh, that's delicious. It's very spicy, actually. I really recommend making this. See? Alright. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you didn't, please still smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Our goal is 200 by the end of September. So far, we have 128 subscribers, and that's a lot. So, we're going to try to get to 200. So, let's make sure we do that. Make sure you also buy some merch. Merch is really good. My personal favorite is the Let's Get Cooking hoodie. It's just nice and comfortable, and it's amazing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, and make sure you go watch that premiere tomorrow. There's a premiere coming out tomorrow. We're gonna tape it today and post it tomorrow. So that'll be a premiere. It's gonna be really fun. I'm not gonna tell you guys the challenge, but it's gonna be really fun. So I'll see you guys next time, and bye.